I've just spent 30 days in Velocitron trying to get better. I've been racing, trying to get lines and getting fast. I am a bit curious to see how it has impacted my flying style and how well I handle the quad. Say from that first flight, it definitely helped. I was a lot more confident hitting gaps, and I felt like I could move faster and predict where the quad was going. If we look at my before these 30 days and after, there's definitely a difference. I push the quad a lot more than I used to do, and it's actually very great. It's so much fun flying, and well, I just gotta say, it just feels different. The wind have picked up, and I am moving to a different location now to see if this other place is actually a little bit better with all the wind that's going on. I don't know if you can hear it in the mic, but it should be better in this other place. It's not a bando, it is a hardball sort of field type thing with a mountain bike track. This is actually quite, when there are no people here, it's actually a lot of fun to fly in. And there are a lot of sort of different obstacles to fly around. There could definitely be a bit more variety and a bit longer distance between the trees and stuff like that. But it's actually a very great space to fly in, and there's a lot of possibilities for sort of tricks and flying in between things and tree surfing a lot here. Let's get out there and get flying. Well, I guess we gotta go collect the quad. It's up there somewhere. It worked! These 30 days in Velocitron has helped me so much. I have so much better control of the quad and of the lines I'm actually wanting to make. If you want to help me and make the algorithm really happy, click the like button down below, and also maybe consider hitting that subscribe button just to help this channel out. I will be flying more, both outdoors and in simulators. If you have any question, leave them in a comment down below. As always, let's get out there and get flying.